to go over how I use Google Keep as a teacher to help me stay organized with a lot of different things that I'm doing. And this might help other teachers out there be much more organized with their not only finances, but their just teaching and their profession, which might help for professional development and gain more money possibly. So on Google Keep, it's a free app from Google. You have a list of notes. You can make pin notes and you could have regular notes, right? You also have reminders. Now, the key that I use in reminders are timed reminders of when I need to do an activity. So, for instance, I'm going to be doing a workout program called TA2, which is a resistant band workout, and I'm going to start it tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. I should be available. I have some free time there in my schedule, so I know I'm going to be doing TA2 build at that point. Okay? That's one of the key things that I use Google Keep for. Parent meeting for tennis. I know on 2 days from now at 4 o'clock, I'm going to have a parent meeting. I love my show Carb Your Enthusiasm on Sunday at 8 o'clock. So again, I make time-based plans here that's written out. I could also use Google Calendar for that, but for Google Calendar are events that me and my wife share together. So these are just personal things that are not really that important for my wife to really know about. Then I put different labels. Academic is academic decathlon if I ever have a certain event for that, which, for instance, I do have to take a note. Video team on speeches. It's already on the academic folder, and we'll do that tomorrow. Pick time and place will be tomorrow during lunchtime, so it'll be at 1 o'clock. And I just set a reminder. It's going to come on my phone and also pop up on my browser that I have that to do. Then I have all the different labels for the different classes I have. I have stuff for my kids, stuff on books that I'm thinking about reading, different classes that I teach, like chemistry, environmental. I have a fitness log, exercise journal of what I've been doing. I have different links as well to different routines that I'm thinking about doing. My food one gets pretty big. Notice I have a pin page that always comes up for me. This is a How Not to Diet book. It's the cover pages that I took a picture of and put it on here. So it's very easy to organize stuff. And I have all these different foods here with the links there. Stuff for fitness, again, it talks about that. For money, I've shown different things that I've been looking at in my finances about when I should buy something, average dividends a certain month, but I resorted more to Google Sheets and Google Docs on that to do the calculations a little bit more simplified. Places to go, whenever I see something that I'd like to go to, I'll put this down. I've been to quite a few of these as well, but if I hear from a friend that it's a good place to go to, so I'll put it there. Sometimes I'll also put a reminder of when I'm going to it. For taxes from last year, I was writing a few things about what happened to my taxes, which I might continue to do as forms come in. I would actually have year-end statements. I'll have my 1099s and whatnot that I could look at. Things to buy are for usually my wife or kids. If it's like Christmas time and I see a list of things that she might be interested in, I could easily just get a Google Doc or Google Keep, jot that down. Like in IKEA, I saw my wife wanted these things, so we bought some for Christmas. And that's really about it. For notes, there are pinned notes, so this does come up on my phone. It's the first notes that come in. I've been doing a workout log for my weight. I've been writing down my weight every day and just quick comments of what's been happening. So I could put that really easily. That's why I put it as a pinned post. For working out, I'm writing down what I'm actually doing in my workouts. Just general notes on what I notice in each day in terms of how heavy the band is or how many reps and sets I do. Here's the topics that I made for this channel. As I write down different things I want to do, like beginning of each month, I want to do these 2 videos. And then I have all these different topics. I'll have pictures and images. And this is how I look at different items that I want to do a video on. Okay. So if you have any questions about topics that you'd like me to see, definitely let me know. I could either type it in here, get to it when I have time for it, or make a video pretty quickly on it. So if I'm curious about a certain video that I want to make or topic, I could just easily look through this list to figure out what I want to do. So that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And hopefully this helps you be more organized. Being more organized will help you be a better teacher and better investor.